Hi, my name is Sarah Poshing Madsen, and the app that I chose to make is called Med Therapy Now. A little backstory, my husband is a pharmacist, and he is taking a class right now to get a certification in something called medication therapy management. And what they do is they help doctors, and they actually see patients, and they help patients stay in compliance with their medicine. So this would be an app that would be good for that field. And so this is like kind of the pharmacist view. This is their desktop version. So he could come in here and the pharmacist could see different things, appointments they had for that day, compliance, the messages they have. So if they wanted to check on compliance, they would click on here and it would show different patients, and it would show up first the ones that are the least compliant. So let's say he wanted to see this gentleman. So it has their demographics up here, and then they have different important things that a pharmacist would need to know. So actually on the patient portion, they can message the pharmacist. So this gentleman messaged, and so he has one question from this patient, and then it shows their compliance and how many refills they need right now, the medications they're taking, allergies, and then also he would have access to like their diagnosis and their lab work and their vitals. So let's say you wanted to check further into this patient's compliance, so he would click here. Here's the different medications that this gentleman is taking and how compliant they are. If you wanted to check their monthly kind of view, you could go here and it would show what days they took it and what days they did not. And it would have, the patient can actually write notes, like let's say they didn't take it on the 14th because they were sick or throwing up or something like that. Like they could write that in, which would be helpful for a pharmacist to know. And as far as the patient portion, here's like kind of the sign in, sorry. And then they could come here and they could go to different options. So their schedule, and it has pictures of the medication and when they've taken them, things like that. One thing that user testing really helped me is to kind of see just what is valuable. I had my husband and some of his pharmacist friends look at it, and so like these pictures were valuable, different things like that. So I think just it helps you kind of take your design up a level to see who would be using that and what it could really benefit them. And I learned a lot making this. I love taking this class, and I decided I really like doing website design, which I mean that's what I'm going to do, but I really like using XD. I find it fun and easy. And thank you for watching.